4 children, 1 bottle of syrup, and a government saying it passed the tests. In Churu, Rajasthan, a 6-year-old boy died after taking a cough syrup containing Dextromethorphan. He's the 4th child in 10 days. The drug? Cleared by labs. The parents? Devastated. Dextromethorphan is common, but in young kids, even small doses can be deadly. No arrests, no recalls, just silence. India's pharma industry is massive, but in rural towns, oversight is thin. So we ask, who watches the medicine? And how many more kids have to die before someone answers?